Morning, everyone. Hola. Happy Monday. New week, new opportunities. What's up? Hello, hello. How are you guys? Okay, so we have this level now that it looks like it's acting as resistance instead of support. Nice move so far. Do we have data today? Okay. This a little bit lower. Buen día, morning, morning.
So that push into it. Wow.
Morning,
Aggressive
guys.
buying. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Watch up into now 150-ish. See if we can hold 110.
Nice 25K hold on NQ.
Yeah, very. I mean, real a quick flash down. I mean, pretty heavy flash down, 50 points, but it was the reclaim was instantaneous, right? Which was nice.
Yep.
And then watch into 64, 65 on ES, and watch into this 150 on NQ. Up into and then 200. Okay, look at that. Look at that push through 150. Wow.
Yeah, Nvidia, it's moving really nice. Apple holding, Microsoft, very strong.
This 180 area was a 15-minute fair value gap, which is not very big, right? I'd be looking more like a 30 to 1 hour, 4 hour ideally, but just something to note. We'll really see push into another one until about 250, 260. Now I'm curious if we can hold this here, this 150, and then this, I don't know, this 55 on ES.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning. Okay. You guys hear a bunch of noises on my end?
I do not hear anything. It is silent and it's
Okay.
eerily silent.
Because I have constructions everywhere. My neighbors on above, my neighbor next door neighbor, I have construction outside in the building. But I changed the settings on
Look,
Discord so you guys don't hear anything. beside me, but I wasn't sure if it was working.
No, it sounds fine.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Oh, Martinez got the push on NQ. Nice.
Yeah. Watching up to 200. I got in long at 155.
Mm.
I took some out at 170. It's just some micros, so I'm gonna wait. I want to see a 190 then a 200 push.
I'm gonna wait a little bit.
I'll move my
Do we have data
stops to
today?
150.
9:45 or 10?
We had we had data at 8:30. Let me see what we got. Hold on.
We had
Do a quick
CPI
check.
at 8:30.
Okay.
Speaking of data, I
It
will
was
take it. I
Wasn't
will
that
take
Canadian
it.
CPI?
yeah, it was Canadian CPI, so it was minor.
Oh,
It
my
went
bad.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna talk anything about Canadians because Ross will get upset.
I am watching
There's
this
I'm gonna
nothing else
Thursday
say
though.
today.
Thursday's NFP. It's going to be crazy.
Yes, it's been a while since we've had unemployment rate and non-farm, so that's going to be interesting. And then we have PMI on Friday at 9:45. Outside of that, not much, I don't think. Home sales at 10 a.m. on Thursday, but just whatever. Wednesday we have the FOMC minutes, which is, nothing else really. Oh, okay. I was stopped out break even. I wasn't even looking at it.
I'm gonna take it easy today. We got Nvidia earning on Wednesday. Today is the first day the government, technically the first day the government is open,
Oh,
so we can
yeah.
get any news any minute.
Yeah, that's right.
Plus, yeah, so I'm gonna take it easy. Gold right now it has rejected Friday's settlement on London, so gold is not strong. You can play scalps. It had no direction. I am bullish on gold as long we are above 40.30. It's Friday's low and in a 4-hour level. On ES, I don't like to be where it is right now. We break below 67.46. I thought we were gonna keep slicing down, but again, we are back in the middle of a range.
So the fact that NQ's holding VWAP, holding the open is good. The problem is ES is below that open at 65. If it gets up over that, I think we got some definite room to the upside here. NQ looks great. The fact that it took me out at 50 is a little upsetting because it went down to 41 and then bounced, but that's okay. I guess we can get over
D-Gen.
this 65 area. What up? What up?
What up?
Degenerate.
Hi, Case.
Not yet. Not yet. I'll let you know when I go degen.
I am so mad that I fucked
Why?
up on my Tradeifys.
And we
Yeah,
talk about
it's
patience
one of
on
those things.
Thursday, Case.
Was that?
We talk about patience on Thursday.
I know,
Excuse
right?
me. Yeah, that
I mean,
happens.
Just gold.
Those used to be my
Gold
Fridays.
got me.
That's why I stopped trading Fridays, because if I had one
What are you
red
talking
trade
about?
on
You stopped
Friday,
trading
I
Friday.
started going crazy.
You were there on Friday. What are you talking about? You were trading
Yeah,
Friday.
but most of the time I'm not there.
I stopped except when I don't stop.
Like I stopped, but I saw something.
Yeah,
You
And
like the
I
setup.
I blew an eval too because I was again. It's one of those things.
Fridays are
Get in
too
or not.
difficult to walk away without being red. That's why I used to tilt on Fridays.
Yeah, Fridays are tough,
Yeah,
honestly, because
I was gonna say, I think it's the idea of I don't want to sit the whole weekend through knowing I had a red day on Friday,
Yeah,
right? That
yeah.
mentality is it's tough to kind of get over that hump. Like it's okay to it's okay. We all have red days. Red days happen to all of us, right? It's okay to
Yes.
have them, but like you're like, oh, now the whole weekend I got to think about the fact that I messed up on Friday. Let me just get it
It's
back.
more
I'll get back
like
to break
the
even, and I'll
whole
go to the weekend fine.
now I have to wait until Monday to be green again.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Absolutely.
Because if you have a red Monday, you're well, okay. Like I have the rest of the week, but on Fridays,
To recover. Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
why it didn't really like bother me too much that I was red on Tradeify because I can work on getting those back.
Mm.
But it still sucks because
Yeah.
set me back. You know,
This
but
this
at least
hole's
the lose
really
it's nice.
interesting.
I think I got a couple more days to go on the lose hits, and I'll be able to take a payout. So
Oh yeah, dude.
yeah, so at least that's good.
So the orb has now been set. I'll be curious to see if we can close the next 5-minute candle outside of 25.2. That's where the orb sits, which is incredible.
We just had a really
And the
nice
orb is essentially
pullback
at
on the
yeah,
spike
this is good.
QQ pullback longs of the VWAPs.
Wow.
That was clean.
Yeah, VWAP on QQ is also sitting at the previous day close too, right? Like at 609-ish, right? Sitting at 609. So that's not a bad little spot to get in. Say gold longs. What I heard? What did I hear?
Oh no, I'm not even watching gold.
I wasn't either. That's why
Not me.
I thought Kay said gold longs. I was like,
No,
oh,
no,
okay.
no.
Maybe
GC's
Case.
ranging.
Oh, look at this push. Nice again.
GC's ranging, so it's not really that great of a trade. Look at this thing on a 1 hour. It's just sideways, like a fucking
Yeah, I'm
bark
not
move.
looking at GC. The ES and NQ are moving today. There's no need to look at GC right now, at least for me,
Mhm.
right? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you got good setups. I mean, clear PA on ES and NQ.
right.
Like I said, not
Yeah,
a single 1 hour candle had closed above Friday settlement. So
We
not a
are
good
coming
trade
up to
right now.
London low though, so careful on ES. I'm sorry, Asia low, not London. That's he's giving ADR a run for her money today.
Huh?
the
I
YouTube
said
live.
Desi's
Yeah,
giving you a run for your money today.
I have it up on the side. It's muted, so I don't really know why I have it up because I can't hear a single thing he's saying, but fine.
I had the same
That's
thing. I
funny.
have it on the TV really low in the back. It's-
I can't, yeah, I can't hear anything. He's legit muted. Look at that 200. Is that gonna be a 200 hold
I don't watch
to
anyone
the
or
tick?
anything when I'm trading. Only Netflix if I'm waiting for something. Like I don't watch other traders because I noticing that if I watch someone else trading, most of the time it's gonna talk me out of my trades.
It does. It affects you like that.
yeah, yeah. It's you second guess yourself.
I mean, even here, like sometimes we kind of, like,
Mm-hmm.
maybe we shouldn't. Maybe.
Yeah.
But it's different because it's different. It's just different.
When are Nvidia earnings? This
Wednesday at the
oh
closing.
Wednesday. Okay.
They will push away. There's a push here coming.
Wednesday at 4:20. So
Okay.
we could
Yeah.
still YOLO Lucid and Tradeify.
It definitely is gonna affect the overall
Washington,
market.
so Washington
Oh yeah.
290. I know it's a little ways off, but like keep an eye on 290 if we get up there.
Yes, having a bit of a hard time pushing up. Still, it is above the ore, but then that might be a. I want to see the 70 reaction here.
Yeah, I'm watching 72. Case I was
72 or 70?
70 also.
No.
I'm gonna see if we get a pullback to yes 55 to 60 for to go for loans.
Yeah.
I would love to see a 55 pullback.
Nice push.
Maybe
Okay,
the
so
10
we're
candle bless us.
watching 290 on NQ. Little ways to go. This is a nice push over 70 here.
Yeah.
It's tough though. I don't want to get in. I almost want to see it get up to now 80, 79. It's already going.
It's the people going. Oh, sweep up for Asia. Low.
Just curious though if this is just a little pullback to our 70-ish area and see if we hold now. Over 65, I still feel 64 and a half. I still feel pretty good.
It could be an interesting reaction on NQ.
Look at NQ here at 250. Yeah,
Yeah.
would have liked to have seen 290.
Yeah,
It's a better looking
290, that would
rejection
be
for me.
better, definitely.
Yeah, that's the rejection I
Mm-hmm.
really want to get up to.
Yeah.
So I just don't have enough here at like 250 that makes me think, okay, it's a good rejection point. I could. I mean, I see some, there's stuff there, but I don't love it necessarily. Makes me think that 290 is more realistic to get up to. But we've pushed quite a bit, so that can be tough though here too.
It's having a lot of trouble here, but I would love to see them going to 290, even
That's what I want.
293.
I'm really looking for 290 at this point.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start taking some off here of my long. Okay. I got it on that pullback to 235. I just still think 290 has to happen.
Mm-hmm.
So I got on the pullback 235, took some off at 252 and 255. I'm gonna put the stop below, probably below 225. If I get taken out, that's fine. It'll be pretty close to a break-even trade. Okay, it just took me out there. Okay, interesting. Still think there's more in it. I'm gonna watch 64 on ES. Oh, we get there. That is. Need to get off for a 5-minute meeting in 2 minutes. Good push down there. Watching 64 here. Yes. At this point, maybe we do want that pullback to 60-ish, right? And maybe 150.
Yeah, I can see it pulling back
Thank
to
you.
180, 175, maybe, or even 150. Yeah.
Yeah, 150 kind of what I'm watching to see if we pull back into. And then maybe like 60-ish on ES. Down to 55 would be really juicy, I feel like, but even 60-ish wouldn't be too terrible. We're still at the 64 though, so I'm not like short down into that level, right? Just in case we have something crazy and hold here, but um not ready for longs either.
Ooh, what a reaction on NQ.
I'm taking some shorts there on MES.
Oh, nice.
Have some I ended up buying a my funded futures, one of those,
Yeah.
the one that allows
The
you to get
new
payout.
the daily payout one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I got a pass today and then should be good to go. Yes. SPX rejecting 6750. Big level.
Still holding 64.
Yeah, this 30-minute candle is a bit bullish for it to be
Yeah, if you're
continue
still holding the
going down.
64, so it's interesting to me. Um, okay, guys, meeting. I'll be right back.
I do like that the VIX kind of pulled back. And we are in oversold on SPX on the 4 hour, so based on the RSI, I mean, it could stay there still for a while, but makes it harder to go down, to keep going down. So I'm assuming that any push down is going to get bought up. So as you saw this morning with NQ.
I just did a quick short on GC, a projection of 80, and I'm out.
I want to see NQ holding this 150, 160 level and maybe keep going higher.
I don't know how you guys trade NQ. NQ is such a gives me a
I don't like what it's doing right
anxiety.
now.
Thank you. Test every cell of your body.
Anxiety. Nice rejection. So you're looking for 60, Sasha?
150, like
Yeah.
I wanted to see it holding here what it is right now, but it's looking too weak for that.
Whoa,
Because I wanted
whoa,
a
what happened?
pullback so it can go back up to almost 300. I will say 290, 293, but I don't think it's gonna do it.
Yeah. What's
Want to see what's the PA around 55.60, maybe 52 since it's the 50 daily SMA, but right now it's looking heavy.
Nvidia's pulling back. That's why. Damn, Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft,
Pretty aggressive pullback there. Wow.
Tesla's like the only one that's nice right now.
What's Vincent? Can't see what the hell is that?
Damn, I should have
Is
stuck
it
with my
half off?
short. Shit.
He has it half off the screen.
Nvidia is pulling back, but it's holding 85. And 85 was the breakout level on Friday. Plus,
And right back up we go.
Well, let's see what 150 does here. Reclaim that would be interesting for me. Pull down to 100 to reclaim 150 and go back to my 290, which is really what I want.
I do like trading MES in the morning. They move.
Wait, did I hear right?
What?
No, it's true. They move.
Kay saying the ES move? Oh,
MES
Mhm.
move in the morning, but
Yeah.
later in the afternoon, it's like a pancake, just flat.
I
Jackie,
mean,
where
it's
are
flat.
you?
It's flat 95% of the day. Let's be real. You get about 30 minutes to 45 minutes of movement, and then you fall asleep watching
Yeah.
It'd be like
it.
that.
Just out here crapping on the ES traders. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't attack me. I kind of like this reclaim of 150. Unless we aggressively reject here. I like it
I don't
less.
see anything that I love that I want to trade, to be honest.
That was just an aggressive pullback.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
This is a scalper market.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yes.
Hold back to that 55. If we hold that now, I mean, feels like we just get like feels like getting in right now. You're gonna get whipped.
Yeah, we pulled back, but the candles are weak.
Just look at that pushback down. So heavy. Watch below. Oh, wow. Watch below this 25 110 here. Push all the way back down. It'd be wild to give all that back. Go all the way back to 25K.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
It's gonna give the entire move back.
I should have stayed
Oh,
in that short.
Oh yeah. Oh, keep going. Keep
gold
going.
is dumping.
Keep
Yep.
going. Keep going. Okay, no, I'll get out. I made too much money. Oh
Nice.
No way.
no, I pulled the case.
Oh.
Now I gotta go
Oh
lose
And on
money.
shit.
Monday,
Make did too much money. I did this so Thursday I made too much of my one of my evals too. It was like you've made $3 more than your consistency. You now need to make an extra 15. I was like, okay, I think I'll live. But I just did it again. I mean,
This is a nasty rejection. Jeez.
you just buy, sell, buy, sell. Here we go. I'm gonna turn off my thing so I stop making money.
great way to start the week.
Damn, I had the same problem as Case. Made way too much. I'm looking at 1,600. Oh man, I gotta lose some.
Yeah,
Stop,
man.
stop,
He's
stop.
rubbing off on
What a
me.
problem to have, huh?
I
First
feel
world
like
problem.
was it Daniel that was in here the other day that couldn't lose? That's what I'm doing right now. Problem is, and
Who was that? I forget who it was.
I don't know. I'm blaming Daniel. It might not have been Daniel, but it's
No, I don't
sorry.
think so.
You're
It
in
was
here,
somebody
Daniel. I
else.
didn't mean
They
to blame
stopped.
you, but it was
That was
someone
a
in
good
here.
laugh
They,
though.
Was yeah.
Even Desi came
I'm
in.
just
Hey
making.
guys, take it easy.
The problem is, so Funded Next has a scalping thing. Although it's only profit, so I think I'm just gonna flip. fine. It's fine.
I like how Tradeify calculates that for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah,
I
so
think I'm
does
good.
Funding Tick's dashboard
Yeah.
scalping.
And right back up.
Don't mind what looks like a lot of buying and selling in there. That was me trying to lose money. But that was a trade. I took it at essentially the loss of 110. And then I just kind of scaled out as we went down and it just went down too fast.
It's crazy. Even gold is playing with people's emotions right now.
$60 being a key level since Thursday. It was Friday on pre-market rejection, and then when it reclaimed, that's when the upside started.
I don't like shorts though.
No, me neither.
I
I
don't like
am
anything
bullish
here.
as long we are above 30. But I'm not trading anything right now. It's nothing that I feel confident on.
Yeah, me too.
What is that?
What? Oh,
That
that's my team's messages. This is what happens. You miss one meeting, and everybody's like, "Where are you? What are you doing?"
I'm trading. What do you think?
Yeah,
Making money.
yeah. No one gives as much money as I do there, but it's okay.
Monopoly money, but it's still money.
It's money. Money's money. Green is green.
He's making coffee money.
Yeah, for real.
That's what it is, right? And I have an expensive coffee habit, so
Speaking of which, I was drinking a coffee. I think it was Eric that made the meme when you leave the meetings, and I chuck on that. I laughed so hard.
Oh, I don't like this price action. I haven't made not even one trade. I don't like anything.
it's all right. You have a whole week ahead of you,
Yeah.
ADR.
Yeah.
Not to force anything, right? Like
Maybe
if
if we pull back
it
to
doesn't set up, it doesn't set up.
25K again, maybe because I could scalp
I would be
something
very
there.
concerned if we pull back at 25K now, though. Like I look at that pullback as a sign of weakness at this point.
Mm,
It might, at least for me, that's too deep now of a pullback.
yeah.
The fact that we're still rejecting 150
Yeah,
is
we're
concerning. If we get
rejecting
back over that,
150,
that is more interesting.
160. We're rejecting here. So technically we're making lower highs and lower lows now. Thank you.
Yeah. Yep.
Unlike shorts,
You do or
I
don't?
don't know.
do not.
Look at ES.
Oh, I don't really, like I said, over 50 is interesting because we could now set a new higher, our
Yeah,
previous higher high, right? So that could be interesting, but
over
I
50 is
don't love
still,
that either.
yeah,
Mm,
still buyers and sellers for real. That's how it is right now. It's anybody's game. I mean,
yep.
technically speaking, we should be waiting. So I need like $1,100 more. Gonna be the hardest $1,100 to make.
Now just wait till Wednesday and Nvidia will bless you with $1,100.
Mm, mm. That got pushed down. Wow.
Daniel, I trade Asia most nights, and if the setup is good, I just let it run all night with a trailing stop. Every depends on the true average range. Sometimes it's 5 points. Depends on it. But I trail every 5 points and move one. So when it stop me out, it stop me out.
Are you using the trailing from that comes in built with Project X?
Yeah. Yes.
Nice.
So I want to start playing around with the TraderPay one, but I don't know. It never works for me.
Yeah, I don't think that works for me either.
Oy. I was not expecting this type of PA today.
looks like it wants to go through this 60 level eventually. Just keeps testing it.
What a boring chop mess today.
Mondays have been like tough to trade. It's just you kind of leave it as a day to gather data and figure out what's going to happen the rest of the week. Then again, like we
Yeah.
have NVIDIA
Yeah.
earnings, so that's not really helping anything.
I could expect this on Wednesday, but not today.
Fridays. $43 on ES keep holding. But
I don't like shorts.
no, not at all.
What should I do? Case, tell me. Do I just hit the buy button?
Full port.
Okay, boom. I'm kidding. I'm not hitting the buy button.
Hold on a second, I'll tell you what to do. Hold on.
Oh god, oh god. I'm just gonna wait and see what you post.
That's it. That's what you got to do. You know, stonks only go up; they don't go down. Yeah, gold is getting ready. Gold is compressing right now, so it's definitely gonna push up aggressively. This 30-minute is looking bullish.
Okay, so buy gold, got it.
I'm still waiting for 25K to retest. Or 290.
Gold is so jumpy though today.
Yeah.
If it does go down to 60 again, it's gonna 62 is gonna
We are
definitely dump.
we are just setting lower lows and lower highs, kind of, on the 2-minute. Just slightly,
Yeah.
but it is slowly trending down. slowly.
So here's the question. How do you determine what's a lower low and lower high? From where? You know? Because we're like stuck in between two levels right now.
Have you ever, well, right? Doesn't matter where you are. It's the same thing as stairs,
Perspective.
right? You think of stairs, you're stepping up. That means just you're setting lower lows and lower highs, right? Even if you're between, let's say, 25 200 and 25 100, you can still set lower lows and lower highs on a small time frame, right?
Yeah.
Which is how you see trends, right? But like you have to take that into consideration with the overall scale, which is why, although we're doing that, this is nothing that I'm interested in actually playing, right?
Right.
I'm just making an observation case.
No, I mean like from the high that we made this morning, that is a good observation. But then you look at it, you flip it from the low that we made this morning. We're making a higher low.
Yes.
You
So
know what I mean? So
right,
it's like,
so on the
damn,
longer
like,
the time frame you go, right, the more things change, right? If you go,
right.
if you shrink in quite close, and this is more, I think, when you get into like a scalper's mindset of like, what's the, and I went away from 1 minute, so I'll do 2 minutes only now, but like the scalper's mindset of like, what's happened in the past 20 minutes, right? Like,
Yeah.
I'm looking for 10 points. How do I get that, right? Um, but yes, yeah. It's all depends. I was talking to someone, was it Friday? And they were like, well, we're still in an uptrend. I'm like, oh, I mean, if yeah, we are in an uptrend if you look at a month ago, right? But like, not in the past few days, right? So like, it all depends on your time frame, I think,
Yeah.
because you could also see on the 2 minute if you go back far enough, right? Let's say we go to 9:30 as the open to kind of that high at 9:50. We're also kind of, it could be seen as wedging, right? And it's just a massive wedge, right? So again, it depends how you look at it, I guess.
Anybody's guess right now, I guess, right? Like,
Yeah, this is, and I'm making these observations saying stuff. Yeah, exactly, Case. You get it. See all those lines? It's just like that.
I
Yeah, who
honestly
knows what's
think
gonna
that
happen?
we are gonna go higher than it till the end of the month. Maybe we can get like one pullback. Well, it depends on Nvidia. But if it wasn't because of Nvidia, I honestly think we're gonna go up for Thanksgiving and Christmas.
I mean, I'd love that for
Because
my long term.
what I'm noticing in the past is whenever we have like pullbacks like the past 2 weeks that we had near Christmas, uh we end the year very strong. If like last year we didn't have that and December was extremely choppy and difficult to trade. We didn't have like the Santa rally, but we didn't have the pullback a month or 2 months before, like right now.
I think gold is gonna get me over this hump. Let's go gold.
So we're breaking out of that little wedge I showed, right? Like for whatever it's worth, right? I mean, is it something? No, probably not. I wouldn't have acted off of it, but it's something I was looking at.
Still close. Now I'm only $300 off. $300 away.
Can NQ break 160? If it breaks
I like the fact that
160,
we've reclaimed
we
that
might have
140,
the
150.
290 level retest.
Hey ADR, what's been up with your internet lately?
With mine?
Yeah, like you kind of like cut off
I don't know.
when
In
you
and out
talk.
quite frequently.
It's cutting up right now? Today?
It was a
Yep.
little bit, but not. Yeah.
Off and on. You get spurts where you're fine, and you get spurts where it's tough.
Don't know.
You're good though. I mean, you can stay here. Sorry, where are you?
It might be the microphone settings that I have here, the new ones that I put on voice on Discord.
Not how much, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna change the settings again and see how it's gonna work now.
You're quiet.
Guys, I need more coffee, I think.
Another 160 reaction.
Mm-hmm. 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 Oof. Strong rejection there. Wow.
They are aggressive sellers on the tape, on
Yeah.
ES and gold.
This 80 is an interesting spot here, according to my fancy trend lines.
Tori would be proud of you.
I know. Off the messenger.
Okay, never mind. There goes all the damn longs that I thought. Let me see.
So you wanted
50.
longs. Wow.
I thought you liked the
The ES
shorts.
is over there.
I'm seeing SPX rejects 50 hard now. So X, look at SPX on the 4 hour and look at the
Oh,
RSI on it.
okay. All right. Hold on. Now I got to pull it up.
That's why
Let me
I'm
see.
kind of that's why I'm leaning bullish.
Now I got to change my thing. Huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do.
Where it's extremely oversold.
Yeah. That is interesting.
It can always
Yes.
stay down there for a little while longer, but
Yeah, I
it
mean,
makes
yeah,
it
for
hard
sure.
to be super bearish.
I mean, I'd probably like to see even lower. Still think the RSI can go lower, right?
Yeah, yeah.
On the even on the 4 hour, SPX is still it's low in terms of like uh, I don't know. I don't know. I'm torn. I think this is kind of the situation right now. Everybody's at. I'm just kind of torn as to what I'm
It's a
seeing.
scalper's market, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's what it is right now. Push this to back to the 2 minute. And now I mean, would you really just looking between like 160 and 60, 25,060 and 25,160? Can we break out of this area here? Yes, same thing, really 6740 and really like the 6760.
Well, we're inside the orb, which really tells you we're gonna range. We're gonna chop
Yep.
around. We figure out a way to
N-
figure out which way to go. So
And not just inside the orb, we're at the 50% of the orb, right? Like
yeah,
we're chilling at the 50%. So uh, a lot of ways we can go from here, realistically. There's no clear direction.
So far, we had 30 minutes of nothing.
I mean, at the top of the range. No, no, don't buy the top of the range. Let me definitely don't do that. Sell the top of the range, buy the bottom of the range. Some good scalps there, but yeah, it's just this is not action I can trade. This is tough.
Today is just sip coffee and watch the PA.
Mhm.
Are you telling me I should go get some more coffee? Is that what you
Yeah, I
said?
feel like doing
no,
the same thing.
no.
Yeah, that's
That's
what I'm
what
about to do because I don't like
that's
anything.
what Sasha told me to do. Yeah, she's like, go get more coffee. I think I'll take up on that.
Damn you, gold, doing what I needed you to do.
I would like go to break 80. I mean, sorry, 60, get some liquidity, and then we rally. As the full
Yeah.
hour, excuse me, the 4 hours accumulating. But this range, I don't like it.
Can the market just move and do something? Oh my god.
Oh, goodness. Goodness. Okay. Okay. Starting to break below on ES, which is interesting. I think you're still kind of holding the bottom of that range.
Yeah.
$67.30 breaking rejection could be a play, but now we are not selling. We're not doing anything.
Why are we moving like this? Is the market really waiting for Nvidia? Oh,
Probably, yeah.
I don't know. 3 days before earnings?
A lot of patience. That's what we talked about last Thursday.
See. Okay. I caught that little bounce there.
Look, a trade? Was it on NQ or ES? Did you take it? ADR.
NQ. NQ.
Yeah, so it's just perfect. You took the bottom of the range, right? Like
Yeah.
57.60 is the bottom of this range.
Yeah, just NQ
Great.
kept holding there. Yes, it was making lower
Yeah.
lows, but NQ kept holding there.
Yep. I agree. Now watch back up into that kind of that 50-60 area, right? We'll see what we do
Yeah.
up there.
I'm still waiting for my main trade because I took that with TPT. My main trade is gonna be with Apex. Um, Still waiting for a better setup. I'm waiting for either 25K or 290.
Here we again, see what we do here. So we just reject and go back down. Man.
I
Wait, you're
think if
watching.
NQ can break 160, we should see more action. Like nothing is moving, nothing.
It's funny because I mean, as you say, I'm just looking like, wow, jeez, can we do something, please?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Maybe at the 12, like last week.
I mean, I'm still interested in us breaking up over this here, right? Getting up to 42, and then some pushing up to 60, up into the 200 area.
Come on, NQ, move, do something.
Someone smack something. Ross, smack the ES.
Where's Rod? He's still in here. Yes,
Yeah,
my man.
I was laughing.
Okay. I was like, damn, I haven't heard his voice in like
Oh man, I'm falling
hours.
asleep here, man. Honestly,
Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm doing
and I
kind
got
of
chopped up
multitasking.
twice here on NQ. I was so mad. Well, I was only one MNQ unfunded, but still, I got in at 25.90. I was up and then break even. I tried again and then break even again. So I'm kind of just sitting out.
I feel like once NQ can finally break out, either direction, we'll get some action. But poof, that's another solid rejection right off that. Again, we're back into the 150.
And good luck if you traded gold today. That just looks gross.
I haven't looked at it, and oh yeah, that's terrible. That's not good. I haven't looked at it all day, really. Bad.
I showed an 80 for a few points.
Okay.
Nice.
Got about 10 more minutes, everybody, and then I'm gonna call it. I'm not even trying to be here for 10 minutes, but I will hold on. We'll see what happens. You know, we're still smack in the middle of this orb, realistically. Just kind of. Tough day for Desi to host live, though. Oof,
Oh yeah.
not great,
He had been
actually.
like bad luck with that because the last time he did a live, the market, it was also like extremely choppy.
Ugh.
It was like this. Yeah, pretty difficult. I
He's
do
he's
the
the bad
Wednesdays.
luck.
I'm I'm going on Wednesday on voice on the options channel, and I've noticed that Wednesday most of the time are kind of choppy also, so it's pretty difficult. Pretty difficult to have everyone watching you on a choppy day.
Yeah, that's not great. Because everybody's waiting for you to take an entry, right? Everybody wants you to take a play, take a move, let me get in, let me join you. But it's
Yeah.
like, but then you're like, you feel like you're forced to take it. And you're like, I don't really want to take this. That can be tough. I don't envy sharing screen. It's not easy.
Mhm. I could be convinced to long gold. Gold is a 4,000 support. Maybe can hold, but I'm not gonna. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not trading gold.
Nah. Oh, you can scalp it.
Nothing is moving, so I'm not. I'm not trading anything.
Yeah, cash is a position.
Like days like today is a good reminder that we are here to make money. We're not here to trade.
It's a good way to put it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I said it's a good way to put it because
Yeah.
we are trading to make money, but we're here to make the money, not to sit here and click the buttons,
Yeah.
right? And that's an important that's important. I can't think of the word. The word has eluded me.
Like the way that I see it is like
Distinction.
this is just
Please.
like business. You don't put money into a bad business. You wait for good opportunities. It's the same thing.
All right, folks. I'm gonna leave 7 minutes early so that you all can get a move before 11. That's what's gonna happen.
Talk to you
When I leave, it'll
tomorrow.
finally do something, and everybody will be excited. All right. Have a good one, everybody. I'll
See you
catch you all
You
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
too.
All
Bye.
right, bye.
See you, bro.
I'm gonna be here for a little bit more.
Staying here. Let's see if the market do something. We can get a setup.
Yeah. This consolidation on NQ is kind of looking weird, but on ES kind of looks like a flag. Like on ES, this consolidation looks better than NQ.
Sorry, ADR. I was
No worries.
closing auctions that I
Yeah.
had.
See
Um,
what you're.
EX does look stronger than NQ,
Yeah.
even though they all chopping around. And a SPY is holding.
Then X leaves, and now the market's gonna move. Nice.
YM and R2Y. Sometimes I do trade R2Y. I don't really trade YM. I don't think I ever traded YM, to be honest. But we still need ES and NQ to do something, even if you're looking at good setup on YM and RTY. What about oil? I I kind of like sticking to the same things that I trade every single day. Just because the market is not moving today, I don't feel like what trying to force a trade on anything else.
You should trade platinum like Tori does.
I don't think I ever even seen the chart.
You don't want to. That's a hot mess.
She's like, nope, don't even bother.
Oh, and ADR don't like to look at charts with gap. Plan have a lot of gaps, like
Oh.
Oh
random
man,
gaps.
that should be like a kid in a candy store.
Nah, gaps don't work on gold.
If you M8 1421, if you're looking for something to trade, go trail silver. Now, keep in mind, gold is still inside the initial balance today, have not stepped outside. So I don't think it will do much, but silver is clear right now.
Oh my god. Do something, NQ. Go to 25K already.
$11 o'clock.
Mm.
Yeah,
My
my Dom
watch is
just went
telling me
nuts
to
all of a
move.
sudden.
Gold is looking dumpy, dumpy.
Is it reacting 4,000?
What's that?
No, it's not reacting 4,000, but yeah, it's looking weak.
No, it's not even close to it. I'm talking about like I'm looking at the 1 hour
Mm.
and the 30 minute. Yeah, actually, you know what? It's just ranging. Stay away from that shit.
We are still inside the initial balance. We're not doing anything.
Oh, market's not doing anything. That's what's going on.
I don't think the
I do
market is
like
aware it's
this.
Monday.
I do like the 62 area test again. That's gonna go through eventually. Keeps testing
Nah,
it.
I'm not touching that.
Danny, the thing is that it had been tested all day and overnight. And the more you test it, the weaker it gets.
Yeah.
So right now,
There
gold
you
don't
have it.
have a direction.
No, that's the 20 too, the daily 20. Yeah. Yeah, if it loses that though, then forget it. Yeah, the more it's tested, the weaker something gets. Yes, correct.
Yep. 100%.
I think we're gonna go down on ES. It's like a false breakout of the um what do you call it? Trend line that we had this morning.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go, Tori.
What was that?
Tori, and yes,
Yeah.
I won the break of 67.30 in the rejection, so I can short this. There's no buyers. So why are we up
Yeah.
there?
Then you do have to keep in mind, like the 20 is there, so that's usually what happens. A level gets tested, but you have something like the 20 there. It's probably not gonna play out this time around if it's held the entire morning. So, but normally a level without strong support will get ran through the third time or the fourth time, but we'll see. Going forward again.
I want to try a long here, but the 1 hour just put a lower high.
Mm.
So I think I'm just gonna log off, take it easy.
Yeah, it looks like VIX woke up too.
I haven't even looked at that.
Damn, this is the move I needed on gold. Shit. Missed it. Yep, there goes the 20 on gold. Gone.
Damn, that's moving nice
Bye,
too.
Felicia.
Vaya con Dios.
Yep.
A loss of the 20 on gold is pretty bad.
130. Dropping. I need the buyers of 54 to move out of the way.
Okay. Keep going lower. So we can get 25K already. Okay. Let's see if we're gonna hold here or not. Morning low.
At GC pre-market low sweep looks pretty good too at 450 with POC sitting there. I would be
Okay.
interested in playing a nice trap there, but kind of slow.
It's too slow.
Yeah.
I don't know if I trust this hold. It's too slow.
The 6730 rejection rejects. I'm gonna play shorts on ES for a scalp. 4 points. I'm only gonna be looking for 4 points.
I'll be back. Okay. We're looking pretty weak.
And I'm out of the ES short.
Very nice trade, Sasha.
Thank you.
Nice.
kind of like this 25K hold. Okay, no. Yes, definitely weaker than NQ. Nice 730 reaction on ES. Okay.
All right, guys. Have a good day. See
Thank
you
you,
guys
you
tomorrow.
too. Bye.
See ya.
Bye, Ross.
Bye.
You still holding, Sasha? That short?
No, I just went in for a quick scalp, 4 points on the 500 pick, 5 contracts, 4.1K in and out.
Nice. Thank you trying to hold morning low.
I would like to I'm gonna try if NQ give me a retest and rejection of POC, which is 25, 27. I'm gonna short it.
I don't like how slow the market is moving though. I don't know if I want to wait for a bounce here on rejections around 7:30 on ES. I don't love how everything's
That will
moving
be
so
nice.
slow.
I don't like how the QQQ is testing the equal low.
Mm. Okay, so we have NQ trying to hold morning low. Can it bounce here to 25K and then reject? I'm gonna try a small long here.
AD, are you along in Q?
Yeah. Looking for a little bounce till a little bit under 25K. Yep. Okay, I took
You
some
look good.
profits there. Only one runner only. I'm all out. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Great trade.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty nice. I'm happy that I was patient enough to wait for something good. Small green day,
Yeah.
but green is green.
Green is green. I have one more account that I want to play with. Let's see what the market offers.
Were you trading 6 contracts each? Yeah, 6 contracts on 20 accounts. Yes. 6 micros. Was a pretty small trade. Yeah, I'm up almost 7K today with 2 quick bounce plays. I'm done.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop trading. I'm gonna hit the gym. Maybe
Yeah. Me too, I'm
the
hungry.
last hour give me
I'm gonna
something.
go and break my fast and then go to a gym. I'm hungry. Well, we
Yeah, I
did
think I
pretty
had
good
enough
for
profit for
the
today.
day, for how the day is going. So I'm happy with this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I talk to you guys tomorrow and I'll see you guys on YouTube tomorrow too. Have a good one. Thank you for being here and thank you for
Later.
liking the video. Bye, Sacha. Bye.
Bye, hon.